So today we are going to check, guys, whether whatever the company is claiming, whether it is genuine or fake. So we will now check the specification with whatever is mentioned on the website is true or false.
So here we have come to the developer settings. So in developer settings, either you can visit the memory space if you want to visit, or you, on the best way to see is checking the running services, that where your RAM is going. So this is the best way. So here if you see in the system, you can see there is 2.2 GB system which is acquired by the system in processing of all its things. Apps is using 1 GB, and again there is a free storage of 1.2 GB RAM. So in total, if you make total of all these, it is 4.3 GB. So in actual, this is 4 GB DDR4 RAM, which will give you around 4 GB to 4.4 GB of space in your RAM, and it is sold as 4 GB only. You cannot sell it as 4.5 GB or 5 GB. It is in actual, it is 4 GB DDR4 RAM.
Yeah, guys, I have a Woodman's representative with me, so we'll take the benefit of the situation and we'll also ask him some question regarding the system. So, sir, basically the Woodman company and you guys claim that it's a lag-free system. Can we see a couple of functions how lag-free it is?
Yes, just I showed you that the RAM is 4.3 GB, if you can see. And after that, if I show you the about device,
till now the specification, whatever is mentioned on the RAM part on the website, sir, guys, it's relevant and it's genuine.
And this is CPU information. So this is octa-core 1.8 gigahertz of CPU.
And just zoom into it, guys. The CPU information is mentioned over there. It's an octa-core processor, 1.8 gigahertz, 4 GB of memory, that is RAM, and 64 GB of storage.
So I want to clarify that this information, some customers say that this information can be fake. This information can be fake by any local brands or someone. But if you go into the developer options cannot basically cannot be fake. So in developer options, if you see the memory and use for any device, if they are faking the RAM, that will be basically you can detect that they are faking the RAM. So you can ask the clarification.
The original thing will be visible in the developer options.
Yes, original things will be visible in the developer options. And sometimes some customer, if any other local brand is claiming, then they can check them and ask them that please show us the developer options, and they will definitely show. And if it is genuine, then you can buy. Otherwise you can ask for the replacement or any other thing from them. So it's basically DDR4 RAM. Again, there is a difference between DDR2 and DDR4 RAM. So these are DDR4 RAMs, which makes system very fast and gives you extra space also. As you can see here, you are getting 4.3 GB of RAM in place of 4 GB. Second thing, this is octa-core processor. And if you open any app, whether most of the people use Maps, so in Maps they ask this that there will be lag or not. So you can see it's a completely lag-free system. So if you basically navigate to any place, so it will be very fast. There is no lagging. I am doing nothing. I am just running the system. There is no editing. No
and
cutting.
currently it is connected through the Wi-Fi.
Yes,
This system also comes with a 4G SIM slot, guys, which makes
4G SIM slot makes the internet move fast. And even in internet, if you can see, there is 5 gigahertz frequency. In local Androids, you will not able to connect to 5 gigahertz. This system can be connected to both 2.5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi and 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi or hotspot. So this is also the advantage of this system.
The guys, it's very fast and very smooth. I hope you can check the video.
So in the whole process, you can see there is no lag even if you zoom and any other thing. In normally, if there is a quad core system or anything, then this will not be there. The system will start lagging from there only. So
this much smoothness basically won't be there in
yes,
2GB.
This smoothness will not be there in quad core system. Extreme 3.0, whether you buy 2 GB, whether you buy 4 GB or 6 GB, you will find almost similar performance, because 2 GB is also DDR4 RAM with 1.6 gigahertz of octa-core processor. Definitely 4 GB will be much more faster, because it is again 4 GB DDR4 RAM.
The RAM is almost double in
almost double. And if you go with 6 GB, then it will be ultra fast. But for car, you can either go for 2 GB or 4 GB. You will not find any kind of issues, whether you access Maps, YouTube or any kind of apps.
So I have a question, sir. How should a customer decide that which system he should go with? He wants a lag-free system, for example, but whether he should go with the 2 GB system, 4 GB, or the 6 GB one, which should be the perfect for him, perfect one for
It
him.
depends upon the customer's utility, and second thing is budget.
Okay.
So if customer budget is around 25 to 30,000, then he can go with Extreme 3.0 232 without any hesitancy that it will lag or not. It will not lag. As we have discussed in the last video also, so we have shown the performance of 232 also. There is no lag because DDR4 RAM and octa-core processor is there.
Okay.
But if you want to add more, if you have if you use very frequently
And
system,
multitasking is there.
multitasking is there, and you want to buy 4 GB. Some customers say, sir, we do not want 2 GB, we want 4 GB. So they can go with 4 GB, 64 GB, and storage is also getting. You are getting almost from 32 GB to 64
Yeah, it's
GB.
almost double.
So if you want to install any apps, then it will go into the internal storage itself. So that is the also a point that people want to buy 64 GB.
Yeah.
Then processor is also 1.8 GHz. Now we have 2.0 GHz also in this.
In 4 GB variant,
In 4
right?
GB variant.
Yeah.
So that is also option. And if someone who has a no budget and wants only the best in the top end system, then they can go with 6 GB, 128 GB.
Okay.
Because again storage you are getting, and 6 GB again will be more faster.
More faster.
But for car, as per our experience, 2 GB and 4 GB you can go with as per your budget.
Are the value for money basically?
Are the value for money.
Okay.
So whatever app you want to use, there will be no lag. Even if you map is the only thing where most of the Android systems get lag, and map is the most important thing which we use while driving. So that's why if you want a lag free system, go with Extreme 3.0 series of Woodman, and you will not find any kind of lag in this. And there is wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, DSP settings are also top end in this. So if I show you the DSP equalizer also, so DSP also, if you can see, there are so many bands you can customize as per you, and you can also pre-select. Then is a field option also where you want to want the sound. Then this is the most important thing which you not find in the local systems. You can control the bass and the surround sound as per your preference. Then there is a bass enhancement. As per your choice, you can enhance the bass into your speakers. Then there is a bass filter. So again, this is for the bass. So all these functions you are finding in all Extreme 3.0. These are common in all three models of 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB, or 4 GB 360 and 6 GB 360. These are common in all the Extreme 3.0 series. So
basically, Extreme 3.0 series is the premium. It's the category which consists the premium products only.
it's premium product because there are two class of customer. One customer is who wants cheap system. They want only ki sir, we want 10,000, 15,000 is our budget, and we want cheap systems. So for them this is not the system, because this is an expensive system. And there is a second class of customers who say, sir, I have bought a car of 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees or 40 lakh rupees. I want system which lasts for long, which has a lag free performance, top end sound quality, top end picture quality, and all things I need are the best in class. So if you want best in class, there it is, Extreme 3.0.
Okay.
You compare it with any big brand, whether you compare it with Sony, Pioneer, Blockbong, our system has latest features and latest processors. 4G SIM slot is
But
there.
I guess Sony and Pioneer system doesn't come with even the Android feature
Yes,
also.
yes, they do not provide Android systems, and they are just CarPlay and Android Auto based systems, and their fittings are also not OEM. These are OEM systems specifically made for each car. So we have 150 plus cars, like we have for Swift, we have for Alto, we have for Creta. We
Your
have
car
for
specific
Fortuner.
frame is
Yes.
there for proper fitting.
Yes, for proper frame, that socket to socket fitting is there. So the combination of DDR4 RAM with octa-core processor make it a lag free. If you buy 2 GB DDR4 RAM with quad-core processor, then it will lag. If you buy 4 GB system DDR4 RAM with quad-core processor, it will again lag. Because processor is also a very important part in Android systems. So this is octa-core processor and DDR4 RAM which makes it a lag-free system, and that's why the performance, if you see the reviews also online, you will see that customers are very happy with its performance, and most of our orders comes from the recommendation that if you install the system in your car, then your friend sees the performance. And
That's true. That's true, guys. I have just loved the performance of this system, and I'll definitely recommend it to my friends or family, whoever is interested in buying stereo or want to get it installed in their car. So I'll definitely.
As a
recommend
customer,
this
you can think one thing: you want to invest in 5 times, or you want to invest 1 time. If you want to invest 1 time, invest in best. This is not very. You can say this is not very expensive. It starts from 28,500 for 2 GB, 32 GB with 4G SIM slot and other features. So even if you buy a local Android, it will cost you 15,000 to 18,000 rupees. But
that will be the waste of money,
Yes.
because it will only run a couple of months, and after that you will be
lagging
you
and
will be
all
getting
these kind
issues
of
and facing
will
problems with
face.
that.
So you can opt in for EMI options are there on the site. You can opt in for EMI if you do not have the budget of one time. So up to 24 months EMI is also available, which we are providing. So if you want best and one time investment, then go with Extreme 3.0 series. You go with 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB is up to you, upon your utility, upon your budget. But we also claim that 232 has no lag because of the DDR4 2 GB RAM and 1.6 GHz of octa-core processor.
So guys, I guess you have already got all the information you needed, but still if you want any more information regarding any particular specification or feature, you can visit their website, that is hiiwoodman.com. I'll also mention the link on the screen and also share the link on the description. There's the chat option with their sales team, and you can ask or call them and clear your doubts before buying the system, guys. And to be genuine, guys, I'm totally satisfied with the performance of this particular system, and the specification and features whatever they have mentioned on the website is totally genuine, and it's true, guys. Don't get in traps with any local brands or any local car decor shop, because they will be ultimately selling you the wrong specification and wrong system, guys. It's better to spend once than spending it on a regular basis, and even after that facing mental problems and issues in the system, guys. So I hope you like the video, guys. Thank you for watching it. Jai Hind.